soldering here. Connected. Gumawa ako ng bagong butas para mailagay itong isang speaker. Ito. Nakabit na siya. Speaker. At lilinisan muna natin siya. Pa-vacuumin natin yung loob niya. Tanggalin muna natin itong isang speaker. Ito yung bago natin kakabit na speaker. Yan.
Mas better. Mas better siya.
Then, lagyan natin yung speaker. Lagay ko na yung foam sa loob.
Malalaman na natin, paano natikman na natin yung kanilang products. Right? Subukan natin pasukin. Pero, meron silang panda. Pwede ka mag-full panda na deliver. Ulitin at sabi-sabi. Pero, ang natatakot ako is makakaisip ninyo na okay kung hindi yung iwa natin. I don't mean to offend anyone, but take this as a reminder. If not appreciate, then maybe let's respect other people's accents. Kasi ayaw din naman natin na ginagawa yun sa atin. Right? So,
Nagja-jogging! Yan. Sinalpa ko na yung bagong speaker. Bali, in-upgrade natin. Naging dalawang boofer speaker na siya. Naging dalawang subwoofer speaker. Then, screw na natin.
teaspoon of salt and ground pepper. Half a teaspoon of sugar. Let's add our pork shoulder. This is a cut view of pork shoulder with cut mayonnaise. The pork. Because I'm garlic pork, madali dito, I'm just using the leftover heat from the pan because I don't want to burn my garlic. In a little bit, I'm going to turn on the heat back again. Okay, 30 seconds. Bago ng creamy yung mushroom pasta. Ang ginamit ko po yung condiment para medyo okay sa budget. So, enjoy kayo. Let's add some salt to the water. And let's cook the pasta according to the package instructions. Okay, let's coat a big pan with cooking spray. And let's add the mushrooms. Let's cook the mushrooms first. 8 ounces or 1 package of mushrooms. Okay, once in a while, just move it around. We want to brown the mushrooms. Season the mushrooms with salt and a tiny bit of ground pepper. Okay, 5 minutes after cooking the mushrooms, I will now remove the mushrooms.
Please keep this video for ladies of other ages. Why do I say that? Through the study of horoscopes and feng shui theology, we find that the coming time has a very strong, young energy source, which is the best time of the year for the good tire to attract wealth, good fortune, have a high career, and love are not by luck. Ladies just need to hold the white secret in hand, which attracts fortune, good luck, and avoids bad luck, so that the other half of the life can people become richer and more faithful. Why does your business have to go to open for fortune? And why do advanced countries apply feng shui to everything? Because its effectiveness has been proven. Not only spirituality, feng shui is also science. And one of the great achievements of feng shui is the feng shui stone mascot. If you don't know, it's a lie. On the contrary, if you know and apply it, the effect is unexpected. With more than 7 years of experience in the field of feng shui and human horoscopes, we're all like that. The fox is the best and most effective guardian mascot for the good tiger women, helping to neutralize the misfortune and prevent any danger. Attract good fortune, especially in love, and live in a happy family with peaceful life. But why is fox and not the other mascots? Because fox is the best mascot, symbolizing beauty, ingenuity, and power. Especially, nine-tailed fox is the lord of the fox, which means that the feng shui meaning of the nine-tailed fox is multiplied 1,000 times. Firstly, the fox is a symbol of peace and happiness.
Linisan muna natin siya. Tapos, ititest natin yung kinabit nating speaker. Kabit natin siya dito. Dito. Bali, ito yung hininang ko. Connection sa pangalawang speaker. Bali, ito yung mga connectors niya. Ikakabit na natin siya dito. Dito dyan. Yung mga connectors yan. Ito na. Test natin kung maganda yung sounds niya. Ito yung isang connection ng isang speaker. Yung original na speaker. Saksak natin. Bali mga connectors lang to. Kakabit mo lang siya. Tapos ito yung power. Ito naman yung Ito naman yung connector sa power. Kapit na natin. Yan. Testingin muna natin kung tumutunog. Mamaya natin isasarado. Bali, saksak na natin. Tapos, patugtugin natin to. Power natin. Yun. Nag-power siya. Tumutunog na siya. Subwoofer lang siya. At least tumunog siya. Ngayon, kakapit na natin. Assemble natin siya. Isasarado lang natin siya.
When he was born in 1974, evil spirits and protect a happier and more favorable life. Secondly, the fox is the best symbol that brings wealth and luck. Who tired hearing dysfunction mascot will have more luck in business. They prosper on the road of career, do business at the right time, and develop a business which feels like a job. Certainly, fox is the magic weapon to preserve love, promote young love. Married women wear natural fashion to help them be loved and spoiled by the husband and have no more conflicts. In particular, the fox stone helps to prevent the emotional development of the third person, protecting the happiness of the family. If your soil is the factor that makes the effectiveness of the Foxstone. To achieve the highest efficiency, Foxstone must be made from natural stone. All our Foxstone products are meticulously handcrafted. From 100 Foxstones have been tested to be real stones from the largest authoritative gemological institutes such as BGC, IDG, and etc. For feng shui experts, this is the masterpiece of nature and able to read.
Guys, yan.
Bali, kakabit na lang natin yung amplifier na nasa harap.